In this video, I am going to show you how to sort by date in Apple numbers. So this is a sample dataset and there are a couple of columns are there like TH ID, customer name, issue description and submission time. We will sort this dataset by this date and time. So let's see how we can do this thing. To sort this dataset, at first we need to click anywhere on top of this table. So I'm going to click here and very shortly we'll see it is highlighting the row number and column name like A, B, C like this way. Now we need to come to the right side. This is the sidebar. Sometimes it is hidden. So to make it enable, we can click any of this button, format or organize. Okay, so our goal was to sort this data based on this date time. So I'm going to click organize, and inside this organize we have couple of tabs are there. We have to use the sort tab. I'm going to click here and sort tab will be selected. Now here there is this is the data and there are a couple of things are there. At first we need to decide whether we want to sort for the entire table or for collection of rows or records. So I'm going to apply only for the entire table, but you can choose the selected rows also. For this tutorial I'm going to show this option, sort entire table. That means entire table will be sorted. Now we need to tell to sort based on which column. So there is a field again, we need to select from here. We have to click here, it will bring all the name of the column. So here you see all the column names are there. Right now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns are there like A, B, C, D, E, F. So it is showing everything. If the table has column header, it will show column header. Otherwise it will show like column E, column F. For example like this, we are interested to sort this data based on this date. So I'm going to choose this one, submission time. This is the submission time column. So I'm going to click here and then it will be selected, and here we will see that this data has been sorted. So this is sorted based on the time, and this is also date and time together. So this data has been sorted based on date and time. So if we check carefully for the first 4 rows or 5 rows, the data and date is 7:1. See here, but the time is different like 9:14, 9:15, 9:15, 23 in this way. So in this way it is sorted. To sort this data set reversely, we can choose from this option. So we have to choose descending. So I'm going to click here and it will be sorted like this way. And that's it. In this way we can easily sort by date in Apple numbers.